Hey everyone, it's Tim Holtz and I'm here at Sizzix headquarters and I'm excited to share with you part of my 2018 collection. So many cool things coming your way this year. You can see here that there is a variety of Thinlit dies and some framelits, including words, some stack shapes. We of course have new mixed media, which is great, and some funky florals. And the projects created with these dies, absolutely amazing. You can see that when it comes to die cuts, Sizzix really has, I think, some of the best detail when it comes to creating these detailed shapes for a Thinlit. You can see our new shadow script is very cool because it allows me to layer and stack some hand-cut script is what I really think it is. It looks hand-cut. It doesn't have those smooth edges, but that's what's really nice about this font. And of course, layering with all sorts of different mixed media. You can see down here that incorporating this shadow script with the new stack shapes, you can use this as photo mats. You can also use it as frames. It's just a really great way, and of course incorporate some of your favorite dies like the tiny tattered floral on the top of that. You can see that when you're creating cards, whether you want to create horizontal or vertical cards, that's just about switching the whole perspective of that shape. And again, using that shadow script, here you can see those funky florals, and you're going to see some really great ideas with these funky florals on so many different cards and projects. Down here, just simply changing up your color palette, you can create a really simple, soft card using your shadow script and of course the funky florals, and of course using your texture fades on any of those stacked shapes to make a textured mat. I love this one. Of course, mixed media is one of my favorites. Just taking that shape and using the negative. That's what mixed media is all about. It's designed to die cut and actually reveal that pattern in the leftovers, in the scraps of that. And you can see here it reveals that base cardstock underneath. And here taking that shadow script, but instead of stacking it, it's actually embedded in there, which is really a great use for that die. Now down here you can see that mixed media. This one we've just taken and popped it out, layered that mixed media so you get a little bit more dimension by layering that with foam shapes over a colorful background. And same thing down here with that shadow script. Great way to use that die. Now this one is really, really clever, I would have to say, for mixed media, because we're taking that mixed media die, but instead of removing the pieces, we actually left those in there. Now this one is a bit technical. There's going to be a tutorial, I'm sure, coming soon on Sizzix.com for using this mixed media in so many different ways by using it as a stencil and also layering it. Really, really clever for a card of mixed media. And then of course, take a look at this. Now the funky florals you've seen, we've been using them on the cards with different color cardstock, but the nice thing is you can take this and simply cut it out of watercolor paper and use your favorite inks or watercolor to create a custom palette for your card. Now this one of course is funky floral at its finest, creating a home decor piece by taking some of your favorite colored cardstock and cutting that out and layering it. What I love about funky floral is every single leaf and flower has a layering component where you can stack and create some really great dimension. I'm also really excited about these other dies that you can use for a variety of things beyond just cards and scrapbook pages. The stitch slots, this allows you to incorporate ephemera. Love this pocket frame because we can use it with our favorite small photographs. A new Rosette die. This cuts 3 different size rosettes, but on an 8-inch piece of paper, so you don't need any extended cutting pads. This great gift card bag allows you to customize a little paper bag for any gift cards. And of course, a steel rule die alphabet. Gotta love my steel rule die alphabets. So these projects, you can see here, this is the stitch slots, and it actually has these little stitches, and it cuts out these slots that allow you to tuck in your favorite photos and ephemera into a travel journal or planner or anything like that. I just like the whole open louvers, and then of course it comes with a label that you can personalize what's inside there. Now this one, this pocket photo frame, let me just show you here. You can see here that this is sized for any of those smaller photos, whether they are Instax or any of the other smaller photo prints, and you can see that it creates a little pocket that you can simply slide in your photo on the top, and there's a lot of different accents that you can customize all of those little photos. Now I think this project is also very clever with that pocket frame to actually create a mini book out of that. Now here we've just cut off the tab and allow you to go ahead and slide in those photos into that mini book. Isn't that clever? Really great use. So many different ideas for these dies. Now the Rosettes, really great for any type of party decor or any type of card. And because we have 3 different styles of rosettes, it's really fun to switch up your paper to create a unique custom design. Down here you can see the steel rule die. I love the fact that it is a script steel rule die that allows me to custom cut any of those letters and create my own words. And you can see that because it's that script, it's really designed that you can connect any word that you want. Now here, this shows a really great, interesting combination. Here we've taken the rosette and actually split that up, cut that rosette in half, and here taken that gift card bag and actually use that on the front of a card. So it still allows you to put in a gift card or even any type of ephemera into that pocket. And then this is to show that little gift card in action. Because it comes with an alphabet, it allows you to customize whether you want to do a word or a name. There's also some numbers in there. And then of course you can see that little bag just is perfect for a gift card. So that is what I'm really excited about so far coming your way 2018.